Okay. Yeah. His audio part is not working. He's trying
I
from
have
the
also
mobile.
joined through mobile. I could not join through laptop.
Hello, is it fine now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fine. Fine.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Yeah.
You're welcome. Yeah.
We can start now.
Yeah, please.
Please. Yeah.
We can start, no? Yes. So, a very warm good afternoon to one and all present here. At the outset, I would thank all the panelists and our moderator for today's session for accepting our invitation and joining us here. I would also like to thank all my dear students, my colleagues, my faculty members for showing interest in this session. As you all know, we are in this pandemic situation, and due to this situation, our activities and placement activities have somehow slowed down. So obviously, for this reason, there is a question coming up in the mind of each and every student that how this COVID crisis would impact their career and how they should be prepared to face the same. So I would like to request our panelists today to motivate and guide the students regarding this mental agony and also they had their expectations and now the fate has become something different. So I would request all the panelists to boost them up and motivate them to face this crisis situation. Now, without taking much of the time, I would pass on to our moderator, Dr. Mohua ma'am, to take over. Thank you. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, I actually received a sudden call on the phone and that's why it suddenly got disconnected. Okay, so very good afternoon to all of you. And I believe we are all locked at home, and that's for a change, a situation which is
what will happen to my future, don't think in that way, and also prepare yourself for any change. You have to adopt yourself. Maybe tomorrow your employer or your summer internship can happen with a work from home facility. So don't feel sad that okay, I have to sit at home, I cannot go office. Right now I cannot go office, I am working from home. I am in Kolkata, you are in Assam, and I am connecting with you, and this is a meaningful connection. So any connection that happens will be meaningful digitally. This adaptation we have to accept, and we have to widen up our horizons. I will only say this much now, and I will let the other people talk as well. Thank you, Mohua.
Yeah, very well said, Momita. It's absolutely perfect that instead of just sitting at home and then sulking that what will happen to me, why am I at home and all, this is actually a perfect time to upgrade yourself, upskill yourself. So
Hello.
give me a second, I think there is a disturbance. Am I audible?
It's fine now. Yes, it's fine.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, can't stop the calls which are continuously coming. That's where the problem is. Okay, so as I was saying that there are 7 students who are doing intern with me. Okay, so now how are they doing internship in my company? It is like they are all at home and they are working on digital marketing and research part. So absolutely fine. I'm online taking their Zoom classes, their sessions and all, and they're learning in these 2 months. They're learning with me. So see, there is not an issue that you are at home. It is just that if you are willing to learn, if you are willing to work is there for you. Absolutely, it is there. So Momita, very well said. As ma'am was saying, that you can work from home and you can upgrade yourself. I'll definitely give you certain pointers at the end of the thing, but I believe there are some other pointers waiting for you. Saurav, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yes, Saurav. He is into a very, very interesting sector, which is the financial sector, something for which we all work, right? That's the ultimate goal, that we have to be financially strong. We should be able to invest and save and all. So, Saurav, what is your take on this thing? Like, as you know, that lot of BBA and MBA students, they get lot of opportunities in the financial sector.
Yes. Hello. 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 Am I?
Hello. Yes, yes, you are audible. Mohaz
Yes.
ma'am's
Yeah. So let me just brief you. Like current crisis, like many a times we also get like a lot of calls from our clients, and they ask like whether it is a health crisis or a financial crisis. Let me tell you, my dear friends, this is a health cum financial crisis. And to be very honest and to be very blunt with you, this is a crisis which is far bigger than 2008 crisis. I am myself a product of 2008 crisis while I was doing my MBA. In 2008, passed out in 2000. I asked my professor in 2008 what will happen, will we be getting any jobs or what will happen to us. So what my professor said, don't worry Saurav, ek naukri, one job and one chokri, one girl is reserved for you by the Almighty. So just don't be afraid and just carry on with, and just go with the flow, go with the scenario. Such circumstances will happen to you. It might have happened just because maybe you are in your second year of your semester and you're feeling afraid, but in your entire life, such kind of challenges will keep coming in. So let me tell you one thing. Yes, definitely times are challenging. Times will be very tough because, and especially financial sector will be very, very, adversely impacted. But one thing you should also remember that all this impact will be temporary. In long term, everything, growth is permanent. Similarly, when it comes to market, if you look at stock market movements also, in short term corrections do happen, but in long term growth is permanent. In fact, if you look at 100-year history for the entire global economy or everything, temporary corrections have come, and but they have lasted for a shorter time, but growth is permanent. So just focus on the long term growth that will come after, and look at the opportunity that India has probably 1.5 years down the line. Look at the global economy scenario. Entire world is at recession right now. US is at recession, Europe is at recession, and all forecasts says that US and Europe will take a lot of time, and Europe is simply in a big mess. If you look comparatively, India, I feel India is at a much better situation compared to the across globe, and again, because of this COVID, India has got a huge competitive advantage over China, because right now nobody would like to buy a Chinese product or set up a facility in China. Yes, definitely, friends, there will be pain for 1 year. You might face difficulty maybe in terms of getting a job, maybe for next 6 months, or maybe probably next 1 year. But after 1 year, I think the kind of opportunity that will come in India, and you should prepare yourself for that. The same thing I did when 2008, when such crisis hit me very hard. So as Mohas and other people, they said, I was also focusing on upgrading my skills simply. I was just, focusing on my studies, focusing on maybe some extracurricular activities, or maybe some online additional courses, or maybe, listening to such classes, or, just focusing on myself, focusing on my core skills and preparing myself for the outer world. Maybe I'll get a chance 3 months down the line, but definitely you will get a chance. There is no doubt about it. So just prepare yourself. And again, growth is permanent, corrections are temporary. So this is a correction phase. It might last long, maybe for 1.5 years, but again, when the growth will come back, so you will definitely get a, bolte na, apna time aayega. So your time will also come. So don't worry for that. But meanwhile, whatever time is there, don't get distracted by the outer world, or maybe what others are saying. Just focus on within your own skills, and polish and upgrade your own skills. So I think that is very important. That is what I did in 2008-9 when I was, as I said, I am a part of that same crisis, but I overcome it, and similarly all of you will overcome it. That's it.
So Saurav, I'm just interrupting you. Could you suggest any online courses or anything that the students could do?
Yeah, there are a lot of
education or any sector.
Yeah. So if you want to go for any finance related course, like you can go to NSE or NISM websites. So there, you can take up, these are small courses, maybe, something on mutual funds, something on insurance, something on stocks, depending upon your interest. Very small courses, and everything is online. You can just, enroll online, you can give exam, and you will get a lot of.
Fine. So again, how is it that you need to adapt yourself throughout the entire career? That is what matters the most. So basically, at this point of time, what exactly? In fact, I was going through a wonderful article yesterday. So it was very basically what's happening. Like in a normal situation, what happens that candidates send their resumes. So it could be freshers, it could be even for experienced people. They keep on sending resumes and apply for jobs. And what happens? It happens in a manner that a lot of people are for one job. There are 1,000 applications or so. So how is it that you will make it different? Or rather, how does it make have to be able to connect to the recruiter? So you have to come up with some innovative tactics of it, isn't it? Yeah. So that is what is important at this point of time. Some approach that you have to adopt. You have to think for it. So, for an example, I would say since it's a time of digital, the world of digital world is there. So why not prepare videos of our own where we can showcase our own profiles, okay, and forward it to the recruiters and have a video chat with the recruiters if possible, if required. And if you're applying for particular positions, it's very important that we have a full knowledge of the organization, because the organization also at this point of time, whosoever are recruiting. Because again, all organizations may not be recruiting at this point. But again, there are industries which are recruiting, for instance, e-commerce. I hope I'm being audible. There was a sudden stop. I hope, Mahua, I'm audible, right?
Yes, you are audible. You're audible. Please continue.
So, for e-commerce and delivery, then cyber security. So there are certain industries which are definitely recruiting. So you have to make yourself, available, or think about such, be prepared. Be prepared for each and every interviews. Okay. So especially and I think there are a lot of other panelists also. I'm sure I will,
Yes, in fact, you're right, Madhurima. Something very interesting that Madhurima ma'am said, that, doing things which we never thought we are capable of doing. So actually, this is the positive thing that's happening to us, is that we are being actually made to realize our own expertise, our worth, what we are capable of, and in fact we are enabling ourselves into a better person. So that's actually something that is happening right now. Taking cue from Madhurima, we have with us Sunetra. Sunetra ma'am is again with Aditya Group into HR. So Sunetra, same question I would actually put to you as well, that what do you think will corporates look for, or corporate recruiters look for, when a fresher or a student who's just completed his or her management will sit for the interview? So what are the things that they can do, or how could they prepare themselves? I'm repeating the same question because I believe this is something that the students should know from different perspective. So probably your take on that, Sunetra.
Sure. First of all, very good afternoon to all the members present, all the respected panelists and all the students. As we all know, whatever the catastrophe has been and we are going through, so there will be certain changes, and I'll take up from Madhurima ma'am. Don't have, unrealistic expectations, because right now all the companies will be looking forward to funding as well. So that will be a major concern while deciding on the salary structures. There can be more of variable components in the salary. And another point will be, companies might be looking forward to more of remote or digital working, because right now people have experienced how to, deliver work, how to provide their service online. So in this respect, you have to be upskilling yourselves, as other respected panelists have already mentioned, like reskilling, relearning will be essential. From the corporate point of view, companies will be looking forward to fresh graduates. Yes, I repeat myself, companies will be looking forward to fresh graduates whom they can train up, whom they can upskill. that will be a very good advantage. So utilize your time in online learning. There are different courses, as Saurabh sir, as Momita ma'am, as Madhurima ma'am, everyone has mentioned, and again the others will also mention and agree with me. Like, lot of online courses are there from Harvard University, from California University, Stanford. Online courses are being delivered. So you can log in yourself, register. Some are free courses also, not only paid courses. So you can upgrade yourself. There are topics on different aspects of business management. There are topics on HR, on leadership, on virtual learning process, how you can deliver learning, how you can do team building exercises.
Things that you can do without looking at these. And another important point which just came to my mind to growing yourself is, it is not that world is has come to an end. Even though there are lot of crises, there are few areas where you will see lot of job opportunities. Can you name some of them in the chat option? What are the areas where you will see lot of work even today during this crisis? Which sector you think has a lot of requirement? People are talking about it. Very common sense. You can mention. Absolutely. Somebody, Naeem mentioned, and Madhurja, healthcare. Healthcare is another area where lot of jobs will come. Thank you. Another is wellness. Mohuadi has mentioned, wellness is also there. Absolutely. Delivery, Momita Di. Thank you. Delivery is also important, like logistics and delivery. Lot of jobs will be there also. Then all of you have been washing your hands at least 5 times a day. So what do you use when you wash your hands? You use lot of soaps, right? So FMCG is another area where you will see lot of growth. Even live, how much soaps and have been selling. Then another answer what came is financial planning. Absolutely important. You will find lot of insurances being sold. So insurance is another sector where you can prepare for yourself. So it is not that there are less options. You have to find it out. What are the areas? E-commerce, another option. Yes, e-commerce is another area where lot of job opportunities will there. IT sector, Rahul Kumar Singh, thank you. So IT sector, you will find lot of IT infrastructure services will require. Zoom is going to be online video conferencing. So lot of digital services will grow. So now, once you know these are the areas where you can, lot of job opportunities will be there. Now you try to find out which courses, if you do, will be helpful. Yes, Mohuadi, telehealth. Now you can find out which are the courses will be helpful to you. For example, digital marketing, digital planning, e-commerce, what are the courses you required. So now you should actually try to do courses which are linked to the future jobs rather than randomly going in. So you can do a research, and I think faculties must help in doing them to find out which are the areas which are going to grow. Another option, Momita, the mobile application development. Yes. So these are the key areas where you can develop. So I can see a girl who is already having some headache. Oriya Nag. I can see her. She is having a headache because lot of have been spoken. So just write down the key points. What are the important areas? So these are the few things which I would like to share. To find out the key areas which will grow, do the courses, and help yourself. Oh, and one more point. Most of the speakers said that there will be a lot of work from home. I think you should already start working part-time work online. Because I came across few of my candidates who approached me. So I have absorbed them on part-time basis, and they have already started working part-time and started earning. So if you start working for part-time from your home, you will find and you will get some experience before you pass out, whether it's BBA or MBA. So this is very important. Yes, sir. What affiliate marketing? Yes, that is also there. That is also necessary. Affiliate marketing, and any kind of digital marketing will work. So my suggestion would be you can start work part-time or internship, paid internship, because that is more important. So that you can earn money, it will help, and you will get your confidence. And other things are already, as mentioned by most of the faculties, start building your network. I take sessions in many organizations called student networking. Students are only limited to books, but you should also network. So how will you network? Virtual classroom, yes, Devapriya Paul. A virtual classroom, yes. You can, if you are a good teacher, there is also a scope for teaching on online services. There are a lot of home tutor opportunities available in the market. So I'll give you a small suggestion. You make your profile in Naukri.com, Shine.com, Timesjob.com and other profiles, and see what are the job options that you get. You choose part-time work, you choose work from home, you will see lot of work you are getting. You will get lot of work on teaching, you will lot of work on digital marketing, research, survey. So make a profile in Naukri.com and see what are the options that are coming to you. And you will get to know what is the job market, and that will help you. So that you will find out what are the options.
Yes, that was.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, absolutely right, Debanjan. There is absolutely right. You are bang on to the point that they should start working. In fact, the students whom you had referred to me,
Yes.
actually, they have already started working with me, and we are doing a good job actually together.
Fine.
So it's happening. Now, I understand there are a lot of students who have a lot of questions, and I promise we are going to take all the question, absolutely. But before we start taking the question, we have Debolina ma'am as well with us. And Debolina ma'am is from Star Cements, and she's a very HR out there. So I would like to ask Debolina that I understand that most of the points have been spoken and everything, but there is no harm in hearing from you as what should be the preparation, what should you be doing as a student, how should they be preparing, what are the courses they can do and everything. Maybe a repetition of the question, but your perspective. And after Debolina ma'am has spoken, then I'm going to sum up and I'll give you a lot of pointers and tips, which I would request that if you could sit down with something to note it down or remember, or if the session is getting recorded, then definitely good. I'll give you a lot of pointers. So finally, before anything I say, Debolina, if you could just help us in understanding what could we all be doing right now as students, what should be doing?
Yeah, hi, yeah. So Debanjan has really spoken well on the topic, and taking the clue from Debanjan, I will say that whenever we talk about marketing, HR or whatever, so in an organization, we see there are two types, the goods and the services. So here you can see there are some essential goods and not so essential goods, some essential services, not so essential services. So now this post-COVID-19 era, we need to be very careful because the essential goods, the market for essential goods is going to be very, very high. The essential services are always on, right? So all the job opportunities that is there in that area, essential goods is going to be there, even is going to be higher. The chances are going to be higher that they will hire more number of people from the market, right? From students, young students like you, or from the industry, right? So the essential products market is going to remain as it is, if not higher. Not so essential products, they are going to suffer hugely. We are not going to buy the very expensive perfume or the very lavish car right now. Even if we have the money, we would like to park it for future. We don't know what will be future. So the non-essential products or goods market is going to be very low. Again, the essential services market will be high. Not so essential services market will be low. So now we are very clear that what we actually need. Earlier, the want part of the consumer was higher, need plus want. Now, the need part is the most important one. And one more thing, I was just going through the history of it. 2008, someone mentioned in my panel that he is also a product of 2008 and I'm also a product of 2008. That time we have seen 2006 to 8, I have done my marketing, 2008 pass out, I have seen what type of recession the world faced in 2007-8. And but one thing, have you noticed? How many of you are Uber riders, Uber or Ola? This type of services became essential after that. 2008, Uber launched in 2008 or 9, right? Why? There was no concept of Uber before that because of that disruption. Disruption is the mother of innovation. Always remember that. Because of that financial recession, the people could not afford to buy their own personal car, but they had to go from one place to another. Then that pool car concept came in, or hired car concept came in. So for that recession, Uber came out of it. A new set of business, Uber. Or even Apple iPhone also was launched in 2007-8 because that is also a product of that disruption. So go and read the history and you will get your answer. Whenever there has been a recession or disruption in history, people have come out of it in a better way. They have become even better than what they were before. So that's one point. And then the second point about what the students should do, how do they prepare themselves? So of course, they are doing their professional courses, BBA or MBA they're doing. So just a minute, wait. BBA or MBA they're doing. So they would like to get a placement after they complete their courses. But you know, there's a one NASA report, if you go through, like my daughter is sitting beside me, she's a 6-year-old. NASA report says that the creativity or the imaginative ability, creativity is highest when you're young. Children below 5 years, their creativity is highest. And 10 year, 30%. At 5 year, it is 98%. At 10 year, it is 30%. 15 year, it is 12%. And when we become 30 year, we are all well, we have earned our qualifications, we have worked in, we have earned our some work experiences, our creativity drops at 2%. This is a NASA report. Go and check that NASA report. Our imaginative imagination or imaginative ability or creativity drops at 2%. The more we accumulate information from outside, our own creativity drops. So that is where we need to really, as a student, we need to really work on creativity to innovation. What should we do, right? The market share for all the products is zero today, almost zero. Like no one is doing any. The 3/4 of the world is under lockdown. 3/4 of the world is under lockdown now, and the most of the products, I mean, not getting sold. So market share for most of the companies are standing at zero today. So after the lockdown is lifted, we need to start from zero, from beginning. The entire business concept of business is going to be changed. Whatever old strategies, old ideas of business we had, we need to just throw it out of the window. The new strategies, innovation, the more innovative you are, the more creative you are, you will get. And some of my previous speakers have already mentioned, if you really want to utilize your time, go to topresume.com, write your resume well, because nowadays we have applicant tracking system. Even if there is a human intervention, we have the machine. If we search on Naukri, the Naukri has that tracking system, and the most relevant keywords in the resume, where we have the most relevant keywords for that particular role, that will come to us. So put those keywords. First you understand your strength, weakness, then put those keywords on your resume, and for that you really need to work on your resume. So write your resume properly. And if you want to do some courses, there are many courses on Coursera, Udemy. There are many certification platforms. In HR also, you can go through many different psychometric assessment tools are there, because at the time of interview, we normally use 16PF or FIROB or MBTI. So you can yourself go through those psychometric assessment. I mean, you can get certified on those tools. You can utilize your time. Most importantly, those who are doing HR as specialization, you can utilize your time and do those certification on psychometric assessment as well. And n number of courses are there. Just understand your strength area, where you want to work in future, and go and browse. If you want to know which of the courses are relevant, you can reach out to me in person. I can share my experience or my knowledge with you. Thank you. Over to you.
Yeah, that was really helpful, Debolina. Very helpful, because if they can reach out to all of us, even in person, we can help them. So now students and in fact respected faculty members who all are there, I would absolutely say that in case you have questions, in case you would like to ask something, you're most welcome to please put it in the chat box, that we can see the questions and we can answer. And now before you start putting in questions, just a brief summary. Think from this entire discussion, you understood that the best possible thing for you to do right now is to get prepared. There are a lot of courses, lot of websites, lot of tips that has given to you. So 2 things: upskill yourself, and probably, if possible, do some internship or part-time projects which are online. So since we are talking in this line, I would just like to mention that the platform which I'm building up is something which Deva sir was talking about, student networking. This My Cool Guru is going to be an ecosystem of the students where everyone will participate. It's going to be a platform for all. So there you can come and do a lot of things. You can do internships, you can do courses, online courses, everything will be there on the same platform. So it's in the process, and there are a lot of students who are already working with me as interns, and you are also most welcome to get in touch with me. I'll be more than happy to share some projects. And in fact, what I would like to suggest for the time being is that you check out certain sites as mentioned already, things like an Udemy, Upgrade, things like Coursera. Because of this COVID situation, there are a lot of courses which are happening free or at a very nominal rates. Rates like 300, 400 something. The course fees are really less. Now, one thing for sure, how do you plan which course to do? There are so many courses. Okay. Now, okay, yes, I'll come back to you, Momita. What? Just one thing I was just trying to say, that there are so many courses. Now, how do you plan which course to do? Right. I would say look at your environment first. See, first thing that is happening around you is things are becoming online. So the first thing you need to know is online business, right? So that's where comes the digital marketing, SEO, everything. Now, the moment you get into online business, immediately the next question is protecting that online business. Okay. Now, the moment we say protecting that online business, I'm talking of cybersecurity. So if you are interested in that, you can branch out into that part of doing online business, that is keeping it secure, safe and secure. Or else, if you think you have a good flair of writing, you branch out into something called content strategy or content writing. Okay, so that is one area that you can branch out into. If you think that you are a good speaker, that you can talk well or you relate to people well, then you can get into online courses, online teaching, online tutorials. if you think that you are say good at solving problems, then get into online teaching of maths and maybe solving problems, prepare students for their aptitude tests, etc. That is another thing that you can do. And yes, as Sunitra ma'am says, public speaking courses, that will actually help you. A lot of communication courses and lot of English development and improvement courses are there. Okay, so like Assam Downtown University has sponsored courses, right? So if there are courses, definitely you can go ahead and complete those courses. You should be taking this opportunity to do that. Now, as Momita ma'am says that you have a lot of hobbies. Now, ma'am is very much right in saying that perhaps this is one good time to pursue and think seriously about your hobby. Hobby is there's a difference between hobby and interest. Interest is something which you do whenever you get time, but hobby is something you take time out for it. You create time for that. That's what hobby is all about. My personal feeling, that's my personal take on hobby, that hobby is something about which you are really, really serious. So during this time, whether it is travel, whether it is photography, whether it is writing, whatever be your hobby, singing, dancing, whatever be your hobby, pursue it very, very seriously. Think hard, search online that is there any way in which you can transform your passion to profession. That's one thing that you could actually do right now, that it could be your passion, but can that become a profession? Will you enjoy that? What forms in which can you start maybe making some little bit of money out of it? There are a lot of things that can be done online. Celebrities are teaching singing and dancing online. Why can't you in your local way? Many of you might be your local area or para celebrities, where you know best. So you can always do that. Okay, so yes, as you inform me that there are tie-ups with Amazon also, then absolutely fantastic. Go ahead and do all those courses, whatever resources your university is.
So if you mix two sectors together and you or
In
maybe
fact,
the
there are a lot of secondary
Yes,
data
yes.
which companies like ITC, Reckitt Benckiser, they are also looking at lot of secondary research and data and all which are there.
Exactly. They can
So if
also
the students are interested, they can do lot of even company projects sitting at home. There are
and you can
opportunities.
also do their forms in Google. They'll just share it through certain platforms and can get their data. So I think we are also doing the same thing. Why don't you all mix the areas and do it, so it becomes easy for the students also to do it.
Sure.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you everybody. Yeah. Take care.
Bye.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Mohua, for this wonderful session.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all so
Thank
much.
you all the panelists here.
Yeah.
Students,
Thank
always
you so
don't
much.
panic. Don't panic.
Thank you, ma'am.
Best.
Yeah.
Don't panic.
Okay, ma'am.
Absolutely, don't panic.
Yeah.
If you all want to reach me, can reach me in social media. I'm there.
Okay, ma'am. Bye bye.
अपना time आएगा. Just keep listening to that song. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.